You might get a bit wet, is that fine?
Yeah.
It's so f***ing hot. I love you. Help me, please.
Bro, I'm dying too. You're so hot.
What?
I'm talking about the sun.
Oh. Aw.
Oh, my balls! Oh, my balls! Oh, my balls!
I hate California.
Where the hell did you come from?
No, dude, the script says, where the hell did you come from? Not come from. Get lost, dude. If only you had a device to block the sun, and only had a device to block the sun and bring the rain back all at the same time.
You mean a 5,000 psi over-engineered, really? You mean a 5,000 psi over-engineered, very expensive pressure washer umbrella?
Yeah. And I'm not talking about a misting umbrella or an air umbrella. I'm talking about an umbrella with 5,000 psi of water coming out of it. 5,000 psi! You know how dangerous that is? Now we need a pressure washer. I personally don't need a pressure washer, but luckily we can take advantage of Amazon returns. All right, we have the pressure washer. Oh my God, that smells so toxic. Oh, you almost triggered my shit reflex. Holy crap. Oh. He looks straight from the Middle East.
You're the Middle Eastern one here, bro.
Wow, you're using it for its intended purpose. Oh, never mind.
So I originally got this small pressure washer, which wasn't as powerful as expected. So I got this even bigger one, which
Definitely does more damage.
oh my God. New pressure washer. It's the pressure washer. Who needs manuals? We're just gonna leave that there so I know he's using manual. This is a new pressure washer.
Yo, it has a butthole.
Woo! Oh my God! This looks like someone died here. Oh my God. Dude, you completely gutted this out. That's crazy. Just imagine what your finger would look like. We also need an umbrella. Oh, that feels good. Let's see the CAD model. Oh, that's cold. We need water jets pointing down. 16 to be specific. But we have one nozzle coming out of the pressure washer. Therefore, we need this manifold to split water into every single direction to get to all the water jets across the umbrella. 16 pipes, 16 nozzles, all pointing downward, soaking me and only me, because I need to get wet. Can't attach crap to the fabric, so therefore, I want to take advantage of these 16 rods coming out of the umbrella and just mount the nozzles there. That way, no one can complain that, hey, Arvin, your umbrella doesn't open properly. Well, guess what? I have no clue because I haven't made it yet.
O's.
I don't know what I'm doing. There's not enough space. No, okay, get me out of here. I'm getting out of here.
Employee in the aisle to my right, and he just saw me run like a maniac.
Oh, you're just trying to find a fully threaded. Why do they make this so complicated? And the heart of it all, the masterpiece, symbol of equality, distribution, the steel manifold. Then we take the pressure washer gun and stick it right. You can't weld. You don't have a welder. You made a jet engine using cement. Watch me. Arvin here doesn't know what he's getting into. He could burn himself, electrocute himself, burn himself, but he's finally 20 and knows everything. That's how it works, right? Yeah, teenagers nowadays. This is a truly revolutionary moment. You see, I've been wanting a welder since I was like 5. I feel like I'm adopting a child. So I'm gonna get the cheapest child possible. I'm gonna get the $120 one. Thanks. It's like 120 bucks. Wait, where's Sid? No, it's fine. You're always in the shot. That's what she said. Oh! He just grabbed my finger from the other side. I feel like a kid still. Why do I get to buy a welder? That's not right. Bro, this weighs nothing. Why is there a dolly? My friends, The team together harnessed the power of MIG welding for the first time in less than half an hour to produce the godly manifold, the heart of the umbrella, the center of the universe.
How do you feel about us doing all the work and you just sitting here?
I am. Material thickness, wire speed, and wire voltage.
I'm about to weld. Wait, no, I'm not welding. I'm about to angle grind.
Why do you always do that?
Awesome, nice to meet you. Thank you. Could you wear this?
Sorry, no English.
Oh, no English? Picture? Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Bye.
Show him your beautiful face, Arvin.
I don't know, one of these days we'll make something cool, like we'll do it properly. We'll follow OSHA guidelines one of these days.
Welcome to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority.
Welcome to laboratory.
You look so cool, Peter.
And
You penetrate too deep.
I want to penetrate you. Wow, use the right tool for the right job.
It's time to tap all the holes, all 16 holes. I have to tap every single.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm holding a robot cow's udders.
This here is really disappointing. But you know what's not?
Well, that had to fall at some point.
That's really disappointing. But you know what's not disappointing? The power of Amazon return! That's right, we're getting another pressure washer. If you thought I was done abusing, using this policy, then you were wrong.
This isn't gonna work a second time.
No, it fell! That wow. You know why people stopped watching MTV?
why?
Because it got unplugged. Ooh. Here's one water jet. It's a barbed elbow fitting coming out of the main pressure washer adapter using a vinyl tube. This is only one of the 16 jets we're gonna be using.
Oh, that's really missing out.
Oh! Oh my! This like thick tube that's like super stiff just burst.
Max has graciously volunteered to be the first to test out the umbrella. Thank you, Max.
Yay.
And we're gonna set up the pressure washers now.
Oh, Arvin, you didn't make this umbrella folding. Well, guess what? It folds halfway.
Man, it's really hot. If only I had something to like drench me in 0.5 seconds at 6 gallons per minute and 5,000 psi. Well, luckily, I'm not the one who's testing this at first.
Yay.
What? This here, my friends, is when you don't have your pressure washer. It's just coming straight from the hose. Now, I think we need some pressure, shall we?
I mean, yeah.
Is that it? Oh, it's working. Okay. You're really wet, which is exactly as intended.
Now I'm not hot anymore.
No, you're not. But I'm still hot. Wait, does it just point inwards? I want to be a cold engineer. That caught me by surprise, dude. That was so much colder than I thought it'd be. Okay, we're done. Should we just squeeze every jet more? I'm out of storylines to continue every single transition. But anyways, let's make a backpack out of this.
Arvin's getting wet. You're dripping water, bro.
Bro.
It's a hot summer day. You're thirsty, tired, in need of a refreshing blast of dihydrogen monoxide atop your balding scalp. Walking down the street, you casually stumble upon a pressure washer and an umbrella. With curiosity, you inspect what looks like an RPG. You arm yourself with a haphazard monstrosity, only to realize there's one trigger there. You pull it, and you instantly get soaked with shit tons of water. How did I get myself to this point?
They just looked at me.
They're still looking.
Okay, we're done. Are you still filming a slow-mo?
No.
Like, holy! We're done.
All right.
You know what we could do to make this look better? A montage. Dude, your phone's soaked. You might get a bit wet, is that fine? Yeah. You have anything to say, Max?
I think it was a success, except it's leaking now. It's about to break.
Oh, don't, that's, censor that.
Like and subscribe.
You heard him. Like and subscribe. Can you hear this? That's why the other pressure washer wasn't working. Great doing business with you, Max. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Can I have my phone back? Yep. Thank you. Now go away.
God fucking damn it, Arvin. Piece of shit. Damn it. Damn you, Arvin. Fucking